things properly. We do not want to interfere with their editorial content and editorial policy, but we just kindly ask them to report accurately and to give fair coverage to all the players. Who knows? It might not be Mnangagwa the next morning, and if you are all rooting for a person who did not win the election, where are you going to be? So it's very important that you understand that the jury is still out, the decision has not been made, people voted, and people overwhelmingly voted for change. They overwhelmingly voted for this candidate, and this candidate is ready to assume office at the appropriate time. Mr. Mnangagwa was defeated in this election, and as I will indicate, we are urging him to accept that defeat and to be honorable enough, patriotic enough, and humble enough, revolutionary enough to accept the will of the people. Thank you very much. Fellow Zimbabweans, I wish to take this opportunity to address you as a way of thanking you and appreciating what I've considered to be a very deeply touching and encouraging support from across the political party divide, from across all the regions of the country. It has been a very ringing and high-sounding message of solidarity as we continue to receive solidarity messages across the whole country, the continent, and the world at large. In fact, one wonders who then voted for Mr. Mnangagwa, because everywhere I've gone, in the rural areas, in the urban areas, in the high-density suburbs, in the low-density suburbs, at churches, all the denominations, I've never met a person who is celebrating. I've never met a person who is possibly saying that they are happy with Mr. Mnangagwa having been declared, because it's not tallying with what the people voted for. So I fully understand your anxieties as a nation around the upcoming court case that we are challenging